Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the indices or the exponents. What is the meaning of that? See, we know that if we multiply any two numbers, then we say that a number has been added to itself number of times. Like if we are adding 2 to itself 3 times, we call it is 2 into 3 or we call it 6. But if we multiply the same number to itself a number of times, like we are multiplying 2 to itself 4 times, then we say it is 2 power 4, or index of 2 is 4, or the exponent of 2 is 4. Similarly, if we multiply x to itself 5 times, we call it is x power 5. In such cases, the number which is being multiplied to itself a number of times is known as the base. So here 2 is the base and here x is the base. So we can understand base is the number which is being multiplied to itself a number of times. And how many times it is being multiplied to itself? That is known as its index or power, or we call it exponent. It means the index is the number of times a number is multiplied to itself. And the number which is multiplied to itself is the base. That is known as the base. Now, we have to learn about some of the laws of these indices. What is the first law? That is, if we multiply x to the power m with x power n, or we say that same base x, the powers or the exponents or the indices of that are different, are being multiplied, then the indices of them add up. It means that becomes x power n plus n. How it is to understand? We can understand. Suppose we are multiplying x power 4 with x power 3. We know power of x as 4 or exponent as 4 or index as 4. Index is the singular number and index is the plural number. So here index is 4, here index is 3. Now we know power of x as 4 or index as 4 means x is being multiplied to itself 4 times. X cube means we are multiplying it 3 times to itself. What we find if we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That becomes x power 7 or the index of x as 7. It means what? We find here 4 plus 3 is 7. So we find it is x to the power 4 plus 3. And that's why we say the first rule is index of x as m when multiplied to index of x as n, then that becomes index n plus n of x. Now the second law, it says if we divide x power m by x power n, then this is equal to x to the power m minus n. But here we have to remember this is applied when m is greater than n. And if x power m divided by x power n, n is greater or we say m is less than n, we can also write this as 1 upon x to the power n minus n. Please remember this is used in case we want the positive index, whether it is in denominator or it is in numerator. Otherwise we can use this only. See here how to understand this. Suppose we have x power 7 divided by x cube. We know x power 7 means this is x into x into x into x into x into x into x. 7 times we are multiplying x to itself. And here this is being multiplied to itself 3 times. Do we find that these 3x cancel these 3x? This is x. How much it comes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are left with index of x is 4 or x power 4. And this is x power 7 minus 3. If it is x power 3 upon x power 7, this can be written as x power 3 minus 7. We can write x to the power minus 4, or we can write this as x cube upon x7 as 1 upon x to the power 7 minus 3, which is 1 upon x to the power 4. The only thing is, in case we want to show the positive power here, that can be written in the denominator. We can subtract it like this. Now law 3 or the third law, that states x power m power n can be written as x to the power m into n. That is whole power of x power m. To understand this, we can take one example. Suppose it is x square whole power 3. We know whole power 3 of x square means x square is being multiplied to itself by 3 times. That is x square into x square into x square. And according to the first law, these powers will be added, these indices will be added. So that will become x power 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is x power 6. And 6 is 2 into 3, so this can be written as x power 2 into 3. So we can understand the third law, that it is x to the power m to the power n. But please remember that in case it is x power m power n, the meaning changes here. To understand this, we can see, suppose it is x square to the power 3. Then the meaning of this is that index is 2 cube. And that becomes x to the power 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to x to the power 8. Whereas, if this is here, then it will be 2 into 3, 6. So remember, if it is the whole cube of x square, then it becomes x to the power 6. And if it is x square power 3, means this becomes x to the power 8. Now the next law, fourth law, law 4. It states that x power 0 is 1. It means let it be any base x. If its power or index is 0, then the value of this is 1. To understand this, we can take one example. Suppose it is x cube upon x cube. According to the second law, will it be x to the power 3 minus 3 or not? And that becomes x power 0. But according to the law of cancellation, we find x cube upon x cube cancels x cube, this becomes 1. It means we can say that power 0 of x is always equal to 1. Now law 5 or fifth law, what it states? It states that if it is x into y whole power m, it means any two numbers or more than two numbers we have and index is this m, then that will be the index of each of them. It means we can write this as x power m into y power m. To understand this, we take one example. Suppose it is x into y whole power 3. What does it mean? It means x into y is being multiplied to itself 3 times. It means x into y into x into y into x into y. According to the first law, the powers of x will be added, that is x to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1. The powers of y also will be added, that is y to the power 1 plus 1 plus 1. Is it x power 3 into y power 3? Now the next law, law of 6, is if we have x upon y whole power m, that will be x power m upon y power m. Here also we can understand the same way. Like suppose we take one example, x upon y whole cube will be x upon y into x upon y into x upon y. Or we can say this is x cube upon y cube, adding the powers. Some more laws we can add to the laws of indices, like we have here x to the power minus m. If the index is negative, that can be written as 1 upon x power m. Or opposite to that, if it is 1 upon x to the power m, can be written as x to the power minus m. The next law we can understand, as we know x square is equal to 4, it means x is equal to 2 or not? Do we say that this is square root of 4? It means what? The power 2 was here, but it is root of this. Can we write this as half power of 4? It means we can understand this as like this, that if we have x square is equal to a, then x will be equal to half power of a. It means square root of x can be written as x to the power half. This becomes the law. Next law we can add here, ninth one. Suppose it is x cube. If it is x cube equal to 8, can we say that x will be equal to cube root of 8? And we know cube root of 8 is 2. It means what? We can write here cube root of 8 as 8 to the power 1 by 3. How can we solve this then? 8 is equal to 2 cube or not? And this becomes 2 cube power 1 by 3. It means 2 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, which is 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2. So the next law what we are understanding is that in case we are writing x cube root of x, that can be written as 1 upon 3 power of x. Similarly, going to that we can write nth root of x can be written as x to the power 1 upon n. The next law we can understand like this: if x power m is equal to x to the power n, it means bases are same, powers are different, but the values of both are same, then certainly the powers of them have to be equal. It means m is equal to n. And the next we can write 11th. If x to the power m is equal to y to the power m, it means what? That if we have different bases, the index of both are same, then the bases are also to be same. It means then x will be equal to y. We can apply them, like suppose we have here 2 to the power x is equal to 2 cube. So we can say that x has to be equal to 3. Similarly, for this one, if we have been given somewhere x cube is equal to 8, we can understand this x cube is equal to 2 cube. Powers are same. It means the bases are to be same. So we can say x has to be equal to 2. So in this video, we have learnt about the index, the base, and the laws of indices. In the next video, we will be discussing the applications of these laws. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any comments or doubts, leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you.